Ever wondered why we sneeze? It all starts in our nasal passages. When irritants like dust or allergens enter our nose, our body's reflex mechanism kicks in, and a sneeze is triggered. It's our body's way of clearing out unwanted particles, keeping our respiratory system healthy. Fun fact, sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. So, the next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body's amazing defense mechanism at work.